What up, fam? Manly Brandon.
And DJ.
And today we've got Rocky's Soft Cuddlefish Hot Jerky. Now, this is a Chinese thing, or product of Japan. This is Japanese. Yeah, so some fish jerky. I'm down. I like fish. I like jerky. Let's do it.
Yeet.
Woo-wee. Smell fishy.
Got it all sticking together.
Yep. It looks like thread, or it looks like rope.
Oh no, we lost cuttlefish.
All right. That's what it looks like.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hard to eat.
Yeah, very chewy, very sweet. It's got squid in it, which is the cuttlefish. I like this a lot. I think this is delicious. I'll give it an 8.5 out of 10. All right, peace.